Hey everybody, one of the best ways to learn how to write your own good explanations is to look at examples that are really good and ones that are not so good. And so this activity is going to help you tell the difference between when you know that you've got a good explanation and when you know that yours needs a little bit of work. And so the directions are these. There are going to be a bunch of different explanations, all about the same assertion and the same citation. And you're going to read through those. There's a checklist, and we'll look at that in just a second. And then you'll determine which out of these different explanations is the best one and why. And then we'll talk about that. So on each slide, you'll see this. You'll see that there's the assertion, right? Amy Tan uses symbolism to communicate a sense of pride in your heritage, and the same citation on each slide from Fish Cheeks. So once you've read this one time through, you might not have to read it every single time. Just know that on each slide, it's the same assertion. And then you've got your explanation down here, right? And you can see that on each slide, we've got same assertion, same citation. Now we've got a different explanation on the next slide. This checklist is going to help you determine what is good and what needs work in each explanation. So do you see that the explanation names a literary device? Is it clearly named in the explanation? Or is there an important word choice that the explanation points out? Got to have one of those two things to really be doing literary analysis. Then, does the explanation make it clear how the citation proves the assertion? That's really important, right? If the explanation doesn't show us how that citation proves the assertion, it still needs a lot of work. Then finally, is it written clearly and is it reasonable, right? Could someone say, like, okay, I see how you get that, even if they disagree with the explanation a little bit, right? It's not saying something that didn't happen in the story or something that's so out of bounds that no reasonable person could conclude that from reading Fish Cheeks. All right, so you go through each one. There are four, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then on the last slide, the winner is, just click right here and type over the text there. You can delete that. Which number, 1, 2, 3, or 4, is the best explanation and why? This is like 2 or 3 sentences, and then you can submit and we'll talk about it if I feel like we need a little more work understanding this one. All right, good luck and looking forward to it.